Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Frank Stan, and today I'll be showing you guys a program that I created using Python. And what this program basically does is it gives me the latest COVID-19 updates of my country, that is India. So let's see how this app works. So I'll click on the app, and this is the app itself. So if I click the check status code button, what this button actually does is it checks if my program was able to successfully grab data from the website, and it says the request was successful if it was, and if it wasn't, it would have said error. So now once that is done, now I can click on the get updates button, and it gives me the latest updates. And yeah, that's about it. It's a very simple app, as you can see, and I will be adding more features later on. Now that the demonstration is over, I'll talk a bit more about the code and stuff and how we can even download it. So by default, I made this app for my own country, and you can make this for your own country as well if you are able to use Python quite well. And you can download the source code from my GitHub page, which I'll be linking down in the description below. You can modify it to make it work for your own country. But just one thing to keep in mind is that some websites don't allow web scraping. Okay, it could even be illegal. So just make sure that you check the website that you are going to web scrape from and see if they allow it. Okay, and you can check this by going into their terms and conditions, maybe their copyright page or whatever. But sometimes maybe you even need the website owner's permission to do this. So just in case if you get into trouble, just don't blame me. I'm not responsible for any of this. This is my own project. If you're going to modify it, you're going to be obviously doing it at your own risk. So yeah, now that's out of the way, let me talk more about my project. So basically, this is the repository. You can download it, you can clone it, you can redistribute it, you can do whatever you want with it. I don't really mind any of that. And this is made using Python 3, and the modules that I've used for it are requests, beautiful soup, and tinter. Requests and beautiful soup do the web scraping part of the program, whereas tinter is the GUI, that is basically the graphical user interface. And you can make this work without a graphical user interface as well, but I thought it would be nice to have a GUI as well. So there's that. And also credits to the channel Pymundra, from where I was able to learn about web scraping with beautiful soup. So credits to him, and I'll be linking his channel down in the description below, so go check it out. And a lot of Stack Overflow users whose answer have helped me a lot on the way. And I've got my icons from www.flaticon.com. you can visit their website to get free icons as well. So there's that. All of these links will be down in my description, including this GitHub page. Now I've made this using Python 3, so this almost won't work on Python 2. Not almost, definitely won't work on Python 2. So yeah, there's that. And I made this on a Linux system, so these files are originally for Linux system, except for the Python script, which should work on any other operating system just fine. I think you need to have those modules, that is requests, beautiful soup 4 I guess, and tinter. So make sure to install them, and the rest of the files are going to be useless for you if you're not on Linux. So if you're on Linux, then you can just install it and run it. And yeah, there's that. So if you want a Windows version that has a .exe file, you can just request me in the comment section below, and I'll upload it right away to my GitHub page, from where you can just download it. And for those who are in India, you can just download it right away. And if you're on Linux, even better, you can just download it and run it anytime you want to. So yeah, that was pretty much about it. And if you want to learn how I made this, then I'll be uploading a tutorial series soon enough, and maybe you can watch it and you can rebuild this for your own country or modify it accordingly. So yeah, that was about it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and If you did, make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video, which would be probably a tutorial series on how I made this. So yeah, hope you'll be able to learn something useful from that tutorial, and hope you enjoyed this video. And that's it for this video, guys. I'll see you in the next one. This is me, Frank Stan, signing out.